Hello students, in this video I am going to tell you IUPAC nomenclature of alkanes containing complex substituent. First, what is complex substituent? If side chain or alkyl group present in the parent chain is further substituted, then it is called substituted alkyl group. Once again, if one or more carbon atoms of side chain or alkyl group is further substituted, then it is called complex substituent or substituted alkyl group. Second point, how to name these such kind of alkanes. Carbon atoms of substituted alkyl group or complex substituent is numbered separately in such a way that the carbon directly attached to the parent chain is given the number 1 and the name of the complex substituent is written in small bracket. Let us see one example. That example is explaining about the hydrocarbon containing complex substituent. Here CH3, CH2, 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 like that little bigger chain I am taking so that any confusion can be avoided. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, bigger chain let us take. CH2, CH3 for example. Now I am taking one complex substituent here or a side chain. CH, CH3, complex, see CH, CH like this, CH2, CH3. Such a chain, such a side chain is called complex chain. Here first carbon is further substituted. This is why this is a complex substituent and it is numbered separately. This is complex one. It is numbered separately. First you see the longest chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now here on fourth position, complex substituent is present. This one is numbered separately. Separately I am numbering here 1, 2, 3. First carbon is further substituted and this is why its name will be here on the fourth carbon, fourth one, there is a complex substituent. Its name we will write in a bracket, this one, 1, 1 dimethyl, 1, 1 dimethyl, 1, 1 dimethyl propyl, 1, 1 dimethyl propyl. Now enclose that in a bracket. 1, 2, 3 propyl. Enclose that in a bracket. Now write this name of the parent chain, which is a here. What is this? 8. Then we can write octane. 1, 1 dimethyl propyl octane. Like that, we will write the name of the compound. Now next rule is, this was number 1. Number 2, if the complex substituent present in the parent chain is having their more one carbon is substituted, there may be 2 carbons substituted, like that, then you will not confuse. Same way, same method you will follow. Now, while deciding the alphabetical order for writing IUPAC name, then name of the complex substituent is also considered. To bring the first letter, to begin with the first letter, this one, of its complete name. While deciding alphabetical order for writing the name of the side chains. Then name of the complex substituent is considered to begin with first letter of its complete name, remember. Then let us see one more example for that. For that one, I am just increasing the chain length also. CH2, CH2, CH3, 8, 9, 10. Now slight bigger chain I have selected so that you can understand 9, 10, bigger chain. Then we can write this way here. CH3, or let us change this time, CH2, CCH3, on the second carbon now branch is there in the side chain, and one side chain I am writing here, C2H5. While deciding the name of side chains, then I told we will consider the name of complex substituent to begin with first letter of its complete name. Let us see. Here its name is, we will start numbering 1, 2, 3. Second one there is branch. Now we will write on the fifth carbon. On the fifth carbon, this one, there is a complex substituent. Then write in bracket the name of this complex substituent, 2,2,2,2-dimethyl. D, first letter, dimethyl, 1, 2, 3, propyl. Dimethyl propyl, enclose in the bracket. After that 3-ethyl, 3-ethyl, hyphen we will use for separating this, 3-ethyl, 3-ethyl. After that, how many carbon in the longest chain? 10. Decane. Like that, name is written. 5,2,2-dimethyl, 3-ethyl, decane. Next rule. If words in the name of complex substituent are identical, then priority is given to the lower number of the locant, given to the locant having lower number. See the example. Suppose there is same type of branch is there. I am writing another example now. Here CH3, CH2, CH2, C, CH2, CH2, CH3. Suppose this is a carbon. Here is CH3, CH, CH2, CH3. And another is here CH2, CH3, CH, CH3. There are complex substituent. There are two complex substituents in this compound. Then two complex substituent in this compound. We are numbering now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Any side we can say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, like that. Then in this case, we can number this complex substituent 1, 2, 3. First carbon is here substituted. Here 1, 2, 3. Like that. Then how to write the name? Here it is 1-methyl propyl. This is 2-methyl propyl. Methyl propyl word is identical. Then we will prefer the locant of lower number. This is lower 1-methyl and this is 2-methyl. Then this one will be written first. 5 in bracket 1-methyl propyl. 1-methyl propyl. Now enclose in bracket. Now again 5 2-methyl propyl. 2-methyl propyl. 5 1-methyl propyl and 5 2-methyl propyl. After that nonane. Enclose in the bracket. After that nonane. Will be the name of this hydrocarbon. That way hydrocarbon containing complex substituent are named. If two or more chains of the same length are present in the compound, then that longest chain is preferred, which has maximum number of side chains are substituent. That also you will keep in mind, and I hope you have understood and you can write easily. Thank you.